Hey everyone, so I just wanted to start out by saying this is an older video I meant to post a while back because it was on my sister's 2003 Ford Explorer Sport-Trac. So a little backstory on this truck. We bought it when we lived up in New York. I bought it first for X amount of dollars, then she needed a first car, so I sold it to her. Then you'll see a couple of clips of me taking off all the broken like little plastic pieces. Then we had an issue where the transmission coolant lines broke because up north cars get rusty. So you're gonna see how we brought that to our buddy's shop, replaced the hoses and put the plastic piece back up on it. So as you saw at the end of that clip, my stepdad is underneath the truck because these are the rusted out transmission coolant lines that we tried to fix and then ended up bringing to our buddy's shop. So here are just two separate pictures of it, and you can see how bad and corroded they once were.
We're going up into the transmission somewhere.
I got two lines here.
Yeah, it's got to be this one. Look at. Oof, you see it?
They're both. Oh, this guy over here, I think. Is yours moving?
Yep. Where's it going in?
Oh,
Let's see where it goes in the other end, so we can take it apart.
right here.
Okay. What do you need? An open end wrench?
I don't even know how we're gonna get up there.
And as you can most likely conclude, we were not able to get up there. That is why we brought the truck to our buddy's shop to have the lines fixed. Sadly don't have too much video or pictures anyway from when we were at his shop, but pretty much what we did was we ended up cutting off the broken part of the line, replacing the lines entirely, and then putting on a new clamp and fitting.
Oh my car! Oh, you're sitting in it? Oh,
I like the seat.
It only has two doors, but...
Why?
Because it's old.
Why?
Okay, so here's the dash cam. Where's the other stuff? Where's my steering wheel?
Where's the...
Did you not get it yet?
My cat.
Oh, there!
Dash cam.
It's like a video camera.
Oh.
So like an accident or something.
Oh.
Okay, and what's the other thing?
Like I have a standing back mirror.
Oh, I have that thing.
So you can vlog?
Can you turn it and vlog?
I mean, yeah, technically.
It doesn't show me what's on the...
What's goody, boy? I like
think it does actually. No, it's plugged in.
I'm a high vlog.
Do you see us in the car? So today we're going to be doing a lot of... We're going to ignore that. Do it for the vlog. Yeah.
Come on, Dora! All right! Dora!
But overall, that's it. So it's going to be a super short video, nothing too crazy. Just wanted to upload this so you guys know what happened to the Explorer. And as well, make sure to check out this upcoming video series. I'm going to be rebuilding my go-kart here and fixing it up. I used to use this thing all the time. I have a bunch of videos I'll probably end up posting about when I was younger, how I used to just ride this thing around and rip it, but has a couple little issues we're going to work on. I might do more of a restoration by taking off the stickers or leaving the stickers. I'll leave that up to you guys. But if you're interested in some go-kart content, make sure to stick around as well. I know I planned on doing a lot more with this truck originally. I wanted to do like a lot of off-roading videos and all that fun stuff, but sadly didn't happen because life got in the way, and now I'm busy down with school in Florida, and now I live down south as well. So a couple things have been changing, so that's why the delay on this video has been so long. But make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out my Instagram for updates on what's going on.